Well, there we go, guys. Bottom frame tubes are all on, and I've TIG brazed all of the joints all around. Got the engine plate welded on, and then welded to the bottom plate as well. So the bottom tube. I'm thinking that'll be the location for the foot peg tubes. So planning to spigot them into there, and then they'll probably come up and out like that. Now the rest of the tubing is going to come probably off here like that to give me enough room here to put a bearing. The reason I want to put a bearing there is because I'm going to run a torque converter on this bike, and normally you'd use an aluminium backing plate like that, but what I'm thinking about doing is incorporating the bearing for the swing arm into the same shaft line as that. And obviously the advantage of having the swing arm pivoting on that same shaft line is that the chain tension won't vary as the swing arm goes through its motion. So it could be a bit of a game changer. It's something I've wanted to try for a long time. So basically what I'm saying is that that point there, I want that to be the shaft for the driven pulley on the torque converter. So it'll drive back to there, and then the chain will run down to the back sprocket from that same point, all outboard of the frame. So you guys have seen my Fat Boys where I run the sprocket on the outside of the frame. I'm going to do that with this as well. I'm going to run the sprocket on the outside of the swing arm.
Beside me, tell me what they've done, and speak the words I wanna hear to make my love run. The door is locked now, but it's open if you're true. If you can understand me, then